Hi, my name is Adrian Thompson and I'm going to give you a brief introduction of an induced cooling tower. What we basically got here is a cooling tower. The idea of a cooling tower is to remove rejected heat from a process. That process could be something from an air conditioning unit or a chocolate factory or a refrigeration system for a supermarket. So we need to get rid of that rejected heat. Now, this particular cooling tower is what we call an induced cooling tower. It's made out of glass reinforced plastic. Some of these are made out of stainless steel. The water is taken from the pond. It is then taken to our condenser. Basically, the condenser is a means of absorbing rejected heat from a process. It could be a series of tubes or it could be a plate heat exchanger. Now, that rejected heat is then brought back to the cooling tower and it's distributed onto what we call our troughs. In some cases, these could be spray nozzles. And that water is then going to be cascading across these plastic sheets. Now, these plastic sheets are what we call a fill pack. And the idea is it's increasing the surface area of the water. So as the water droplets bounce down through the fill pack, air is then sucked, in this case, because it's an induced cooling tower, in the opposite direction, and that increases the time it's in contact with the air. By doing that, we remove the rejected heat, about 10 degrees in some cases, but it's dependent on ambient temperature, where the water then drops back into the bottom. And as you've seen from the state of the cooling tower, it's been mismanaged, and because of that, we've got lots of scale, we possibly have got a lot of biofilm and microbiological growth, so it's important that we manage it correctly.